The G-Series Superdeck is an easy-to-install retractable loading platform that will reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve safety on multi-story building developments. This video gives a step-by-step guide to the installation of the Preston G-Series Superdeck. Step 1. Once the delivery truck is in place, the driver secures the chains to the marked lifting points on the platform and ensures all locks are in place. Step 2. The platform is lowered to ground level. It's unlocked and slid open. Lock the platform in the open position using the 4 locks. Step 3. Crane crew raises the platform to the level on which it's to be installed and slew jib into the building as far as the crane ropes or chains will allow. Step 4. The crane rope is lowered until the platform is level. Raise the rear props and adjust screw jacks to within 50 mm of the ceiling. Step 5. Lower the crane rope until the platform locks into the building. Release the rear chains and reposition the crane over the front lift hooks. Step 6. Raise the front of the platform and place 2 pipe rollers under platform beams. Lower the platform onto rollers and roll into position in the building. Step 7. Raise the front of the platform to remove the 2 rollers and lower to a level position. Adjust, fasten and secure the rear props, ensuring their plumb and purlin bracing is in place. Step 8. The crane is released. Front props are adjusted, fastened and secured, ensuring purlin bracing is in place and props are plumb. Step 9. Unbolt the rear tie bar and secure in the vertical position. Step 10. Remove all locking devices and test the Superdeck's operation. Removing the platform is the reverse of the installation procedure.